Yo, morning guys. Meal one. Got my cottage cheese pancakes. Refeed day. I'm going to take you through what I'm eating. So, got 60 grams of oats, 130 grams of banana, 60 grams of cottage cheese, 60 grams of egg whites, and I got my lunch cooking over here, but I'll show you that later. Anyway, peace. Yeah, I also got some Wheatos for breakfast. Looks like I'm having 94 grams of them. Meal 2, just got some chicken and rice. Got some Pop-Tarts in this bitch. Right along. Peace. Yo, got meal number 4, last meal of the day. Some bagel. Got some whey protein, just 30 grams, made in the sludge. I got some chicken as well, I'll show that in a minute. Alright guys, final meal. Got some noodles, just a nice little stir fry, chicken, I got yogurt. My macros come out at, let me have a look. I think it comes out at like 2,772 calories. Yeah, 42 grams of fat, 435 carb, 158 protein. That's it for a refeed day. Peace.